Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use calculator in Windows 11 in a very simple way. If you can find the calculator into your Windows 11, simply come over this search option and you can see top apps is selected calculator. If you haven't have that, then just simply type calculator and here is calculator over here. If you click on that, you can see the calculator is over here. You can simply add. Also, you can do the multiply over here. Also, do some standard options over here. Also, you can change it into scientific diagram. Also, you can change it into graphic diagram also. Also, you can change it into programmer options. Also, you can do it into data calculation. You can do a different thing, different options over here. Lots of a functionality over here. You can see data, power, time, speed, area, energy, temperature, angles, lot of options, and you can calculate them or convert them into a very simple manner. So this is how you can use calculator in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.